Welcome to my channel. Today we will study about the use of a or an. A is used before consonants. These are consonants. An is used with vowels. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Ostrich. An ostrich. Onion. An onion. Owl. An owl. Astronaut. An astronaut. Flower. A flower. Old man. An old man. Aeroplane. An aeroplane. Eye. An eye. Axe. An axe. Octopus. An octopus. Egg. An egg. Watch. A watch. Apple. An apple. Eagle. An eagle. Aunt. An aunt. Elephant. An elephant. Orange. An orange. Igloo. An igloo. Umbrella. An umbrella. Ice cream. An ice cream. Iron. An iron. An is also used before a word which starts with a vowel sound or a silent H. An hour. A hot day. An exciting story. An interesting film. An ugly witch. An amazing adventure. An orange shirt. An honest man. An engine. An accident. An airport.